Hi friends, we'll solve problem on variable acceleration. Just see what is given in problem. The motion of a particle moving in a straight line is given by expression s equal to t cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 5, where s is the displacement in meters and t is time in seconds. Determine number 1, velocity and acceleration after 4 seconds, maximum or minimum velocity and corresponding displacement. Third, time at which velocity is 0. In this problem, first expression is given, that is for displacement, s equal to t cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 5. That means if we start from this relation, what is given, s equal to t cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 5. Say this one is equation number 1. Now, as equation of displacement is known and you have to find out what is velocity and acceleration. That means from this equation of displacement, you have to find out equation of velocity and equation of acceleration. What we'll do, we'll differentiate this equation of s with respect to time t. If we'll differentiate, ds upon the dt is nothing but rate of change of displacement with respect to time, which is nothing but velocity. And if we differentiate t cube, if we differentiate, so what we'll get here is nothing but 3 t square minus this 2 into 3 means what, 6, so 6t. Then differentiation of 2t is what, 2 into 1 is 2, and differentiation of constant term is 0. This velocity is in meters per second. Equation number 2. Simple. From equation of velocity to find out equation of acceleration, again we will differentiate this velocity with respect to time. What will get, acceleration, where 3t square, if we will differentiate, so what will get, 3 into 2, 6 into t. That means this one comes out to be 6t minus 6 into differentiation of t is 1, that means 6 meters per second square. Equation number 3. Once we will get these 3 equations, now first part if we will check velocity and acceleration after 4 seconds. That means in second and third equation, if we will substitute time as what, given time 4 seconds, easily we will get velocity and acceleration. That means for first part of problem number 1, what we will substitute here, put t equal to 4 seconds in which equation, equation number 2 and 3, in equation 2 and 3. Now if we substitute t as 4 seconds, second equation is in terms of what, velocity. Velocity equation means v. At 4 seconds you are finding, therefore I will write as v4. That means velocity at 4 seconds. Our equation is a 3t square minus 6t plus 2. Now if we will put here value of t as what, 4 seconds, so this one 4 square minus 6 into 4 plus what, 2. That means we will get velocity after 4 seconds. If we will calculate using calculator, answer comes out to be 26 meters per second. This is our first answer. Similarly, we will find out acceleration substituting time t equal to 4 seconds in third equation. Third equation of acceleration is 6t minus 6. If we will put here, t is what, 4 seconds minus 6, answer comes out to be what? Answer comes out to be 18, 24 minus 6, 18 meters per second square. This is our second answer. This is the first part of problem. Now just check what is asked in second part. Second part of problem is what? Maximum or minimum velocity and corresponding displacement. What is the condition for maximum velocity? Simple mathematics. For anything to be maximum, its differentiation with respect to variable must be 0. That means for Vmax, can you say differentiation of this velocity with respect to Here variable is time, therefore dv by dt, which is nothing but what? Acceleration must be equal to what? 0. That means at what time instant acceleration is 0, at that time instant velocity becomes maximum. First we'll find out the time instant. See, first find the time instant at which acceleration equal to 0 and substitute this time instant, substitute it in equation of velocity to get Vmax. Now acceleration will equate to 0 and we'll find out what? Time instant. Equation of acceleration as we derived is what? It is a equal to 6t minus 6, which is equal to 0. It's easy to find out your time t. At t becomes what? 6 upon 6 means what? 1 second. That means at 1 second acceleration is 0. That means velocity is maximum. Now in this case, this t equal to 1 second will substitute in which equation? Equation of velocity. Equation of velocity is what? Equation number 2. That means put t equal to 1 second. In which equation? In equation 2. Equation of velocity. Equation of velocity v equal to, equation is 3t square minus 6t plus 2. In this one, if you substitute this t as 1 second, what velocity will get is maximum or maybe minimum depending on positive negative sign. 3 into 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus what? 2. What answer will get here? This 3 minus 6 plus 2. That means 5 minus 6. This answer comes out to be negative, minus 1 meter per second. That means what velocity you are getting from this one, you can decide this is what? This is the minimum velocity. If answer comes out to be positive, then you can say it is maximum velocity. This is negative, means what it is? It is in negative direction. Now, where velocity is minimum or maximum, you have to find out corresponding displacement. With displacement, so this is in which time interval. So what we are getting minimum velocity is at 1 second. Motion starts at 0 second. To find out this corresponding displacement, you have to find out position at 0 second and position at 1 second. That means equation of position is what? T cube minus 3t square plus 2t plus 5. This is equation of position, equation number 1. Now if we substitute here t equal to 1 second, what will get? Say s1. We'll put here 1 second, 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 5. That means this one, if we'll calculate using calculator, 5 plus 2 7, 7 1 8, 8 minus 3. That means this one comes out to be what? This one is 5 meters. This is at 1 second. Now at 0 second, we'll find out again what is the position. That means at t equal to 0 second, if we substitute in this equation s0. See, t is 0, this term becomes 0. Next, again t is 0, so this term 0, plus again 0, and this constant term 5. That means s0 is also what? 5 meters. As at 1 second and 5 second, what we are getting here, positions are same. That means what is the displacement here is final position minus initial position is s1 minus s0. If we substitute here, it becomes 5 minus 5. That means it is 0. So displacement 0 is also possible. This is possible when particle changes its direction of motion. Maybe initially velocity is in rightward direction. Somewhere in between 0 and 1 second, particle changes its direction of motion and again particle passes through same initial position when t was 0. Then final position, initial position you are writing same and displacement is 0. This is nothing but your answer. This one is first answer, what you are writing minimum velocity, then you are writing displacement. Third part, what is asking problem, find out what time when velocity is 0. The third part is comparatively easy. What you have to find out? You have to find out third part. You have to find out what is the time t. When? What is the condition? Velocity is what? 0. Now you know equation of velocity. The velocity if will equal to 0, easily time is possible. That means if we write here equation of velocity is 3t square minus 60 plus 2, and this velocity is what? 0. When velocity is 0, you will get what? Quadratic equation in terms of time t. A is 3, B is minus 6, C is what? Plus 2. What time t will get here is 0.422 second. This is your final answer. We are reading 3 parts in this problem. This one clear? Yes? Okay, thank you.